Here I have Alcatel One S 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, then to the languages and input, virtual keyboard, Gboard, languages. Here you can manage languages, like I guess we can just delete this one. Here you can add languages. As you can see here, you have the whole list of languages in which you can type on your keyboard. So let's pick my all-time favorite language. Then tap done. And now let's try to write something down in this language. So as you can see, now I have the Greek layout on my keyboard. Wow, unbelievable. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.